Okay guys, I'm going to show you the loose USB port issue. So there's my drive that I bought from you guys. It's connecting. And there we go. So, but now watch. Did you see that? Did you hear that? And that's in all the way, but you know what I mean? Like, look. So those are my three. See that? Did you see as I moved it, it disconnected? And that's happened on my Vive, that's happened on my cameras. When it happens on my cameras when I'm live streaming, it screws everything up badly on me because it just doesn't, freezes everything. There it goes again. You can hear it. There it did again, see? Just for that brief moment. It's just enough to kill it. And it reconnects right away. Just, I don't want to keep fucking wiggling the port. Sorry to be swearing, but like I'm just showing you. Like, you know what? This clearly shouldn't be moving. Hear it? See it? Keep jumping. So listen, it's not just me. You know what I mean? I push it in, and you're right. Who's gonna be wiggling it? But you know what? If someone moves a cord, you move the drive or something, and there it goes again. So there's my proof that these things are being a little wonky. So I'm hoping you guys can figure out some kind of fix for me, because I'm surely not sending this computer in to you because I need it for work. And I honestly really hate to have a computer that's not even 6 months old, and have you guys come out and dismantle this whole thing like you did my last one and end up scratching the lid and not putting paste back on the CPU and then have overheating issues afterwards. You know what I mean? Guys, I bought this computer because I thought it was going to be like top of the line, you know what I mean? And I'm greatly disappointed when I look at some of the other computers on the market. Hopefully you can do something for me as we watch this thing go in and out like that. I didn't even touch anything, and it's losing connection.